Hi friends, welcome to advertisement and media management subject. Today we are going to deal with the topic of situation analysis. How advertisement company and producers has to analyze the situation of your product in order to promote more information about your product. We will see today. So present is myself is Manu Gandhi, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies. So what do you mean by situation analysis? Why it has to be done by the manufacturers to evaluate the market, to see the organization capabilities and to have a market environment awareness. So what is the reason we'll see now? So situation analysis refers to a collection of methods that manager uses to analyze organization internal and external environment to understand the organization capacity, capabilities and consumers and business owners. So if you're able to conduct a situation analysis, so that we will come to know what is the internal environment what presently we are having and what are the external factors has to be forcing or it's going to be influencing an individuals. So it will be out for you to understand the capabilities by seeing the internal and external factors, what kind of capacities you are having, what is our customer base, what kind of environment which is prevailing in the market, how we can able to tackle this external factors by using of your resources that we will see. So if you're able to do a situation analysis, so these are the benefits you can able to gain it. So let me see that what are the internal factors we have to analyze it when you're going to be evaluating the advertisement program or a situation analysis. First one is corporate objectives. What is why the company is meant for? What is the ultimate objective of the company? What they need to achieve at the end of the day, so that we have to evaluate. So then we need to go for a size and power of the company. That means what kind of financial strength they are having, how they are going to be, what kind of market share they are having, how they are able to more number of customers, how they are tackling to the competitors. So that we have to see what kind of size and power of the company or whether they are market leaders, so that we have to see it. Next, moving to the resources, what kind of factors of production they are having. So it might be 4 P's of marketing, 4 M's of market factors of production, that is material, money and material, machinery. So what kind of resources they are having at presently in order to cope up with the latest changes which happens in the business. So moving to the next internal factors. So the way the organization operates and procedures and the practices. What kind of procedures they are following and what kind of practices they are using at presently. So what kind of different strategies you can able to use it in order to work on the competition or in order to gain a good market base for your product that we have to come to know. If you're able to evaluate the market procedure and situation analysis about your market operations or about your operating procedure or practices what we are following. Next is stakeholders' expectations. So we have to analyze what is the customer expectations, what is the supplier expectations, what is the customer producer expectations, all the stakeholders what belongs to the company. So those expectations has to be understood very thoroughly. So if I want to understand their expectations, so that we can come to know what is the realistic need and what is their expectations towards your product that will come to know. So that we can able to achieve through situation analysis. So next is positioning in the marketplace. That means what kind of position we are at presently we are having. So whether we are in a good position or in a bad position, what kind of market base we are already acquired, what is the market which is left out, what is the market which is not a tapped one. So where we can able to establish your business concern, or what kind of areas or diversification you can able to do it. So that we will come to know. So moving to next is external factors. What kind of situation analysis will be help you out for analyzing the external factors? That means opportunities and threats are measured. So if you're able to analyze the situation analysis, so that we can able to come to know what is the opportunities which are prevailing for your product or which are prevailing for your market, and what kind of threats you should be ready enough to bear from the competitors or from the suppliers or many number of people. So then if you're able to conduct a situation analysis, what are the external factors? That means you can able to come to know what is the present trend of the market, what is their requirements, what is their expectations, what is their desires. So that trend are presently what we are having, what kind of competition which is prevailing in the market, all those things will come to know. And also, so if you're able to do a situation analysis, it will help you out for you to understand the suppliers, what are the different suppliers which are available, what is their expectations, and also what kind of suppliers which are there in the market, how we can able to attract suppliers towards your industry, to supply the things to your industry, that we can come to know. And so market partners and customers and competitors new technology which are there in the market, or economic environment which are presently which is prevailing in the market or in the society, what kind of competition which is prevailing in the market, what kind of customers requirements they are having, what kind of technology which is coming latest in the market, so that we can adapt such kind of technology for your production process. That we can able to do it by situation analysis. So then threats come to threats. Threat are the external factors that could replace the organization goals at risk. That means, so these factors normally will reduce it's going to be effect on much on the organization goal if you are not properly tackled a particular risk what we are facing from the external factors. So how far you can able to tackle such kind of risk, so that it will help you for you to achieve your goal effectively. So moving to the next situation analysis, that is 5 C's of customer analysis. So let me see how 5 C's of customer analysis will be comprehensively analyze and capture the relevant information about and the factors of internal and external factors that affect the present time as well as future situation of the organization. If you are able to evaluate these 5 C's, so it helps you for you to understand the present situation of in the market, and also it helps you for you to evaluate the future scenario, or what you can expect, you can predict, or you can estimate to some extent what kind of future situation which are prevailing in the market, which we can expect for our business, that we can able to do it. So coming to the first C, company. So that means what does my company do? That means what kind of product my company is willing to provide, and what kind of customer they are expecting now, whether I can able to serve such kind of customer needs or not. That we will come to know if we are able to see this kind of situation analysis. And what are we are selling? That means what kind of benefit you are offering to the market, whether it is already available by the competitors, so or not, will come to know. So if you're able to evaluate our situation analysis. So what are our strength and weakness? So if you're able to evaluate the situation analysis, so that we will come to in which area we are very much strong, that means what kind of unique selling features of your product we are having, and kind of what kind of weaknesses we are having compared to the competitors, that we will come to know. So coming to the next C, that is collaborations. To whom I am working with to make my business operation. That means we are going to be we need to collaborate with many number of people. Might be we need to collaborate with the suppliers, we need to collaborate with the customers, we need to collaborate with the business partners, or we need to collaborate with the different ancillary companies, so that we can able to get an input and we can make the product very easily to the market. So what kind of collaboration we are having with the other companies, that we have to evaluate, if we are able to evaluate, so that we can able to do a situation analysis. And how can I go faster these relationships? That means how we can able to bring the good collaboration among the different suppliers or different stakeholders, we can call it as. So if we're able to have a good collaboration with the different stakeholders, so that we can have a good rapport and we can get a good things very easily for our business concern. So moving to the next C is that is customer. Who is my target customer audience? It means to whom my product is meant for, to whom I can able to influence my product by buying. So that I need to identify. So if I want to identify, so we will be able to conduct a situation analysis, so that we will come to know who is your customer base, what kind of customer they are expected your product, that we will come to know. So who are my current customers? That means how many customer base we are having, who are the customer they are using my product presently, that we will come to know. So am I selling what they wanted? So whether my product feature is meeting to my customer requirement or not, will come to know if I able to do situation analysis. If the product features are not able to meet the customer requirement, people will not prefer to buy it. So that's why what we have to do is we need to come out with the product which are able to meet up their customer requirements. So these are some of the things which you can able to gain if you are able to conduct a situation analysis. Moving to the competitors, like one more says competitors. Who are my primary competitors? That means who are basically a major competitor for my company, that we have to see it. So are they a substitute for my products? Whether we are the competitors who are producing the same product, whether they are a substitute or a complementary product, that we have to see it. So if it is a substitute, it will become very difficult for you to manage your business very easily. So if it is a complementary, it will be supportive for your product. So and what is my unique and uniqueness, and am I leveraging it? So what kind of unique selling proposition you are having, why customer preferably buy your product, so that we are, if we are having a very good uniqueness in our leveraging capacity, so that we can attract more number of customers from the competitors, so that we can win the competition very easily from the competitors. Moving to the next C is climate. So what's going on in the industry. That means what kind of environment which is prevailing, whether it is in a boom situation, whether it is in a recession or a financial crisis, what kind of present scenario which is there in the market. In order to know that one, in order to know such kind of climate, we need to conduct a situation analysis so that we will come to know our present situation which are there in the industry, that we will come to know. So are there laws and regulations that impact me? That means what kind of rules and regulations are like regulations which is made in the industry, that whether it is going to be impact on your business concern, that we will come to know if we are able to evaluate the claimant, so that we will come to know what kind of present laws which are claiming in the market, how it's going to be affecting on my business strategies, so that we will come to know. So next is, how is your current economic situation affecting business environment? Whether we need to know what kind of economic situation which is prevailing in the market, whether the GDP is going fast, or whether the economy is facing financial crisis or challenges. So how this economic situation I can able to use it to capture more number of customers, or more to capture more profit for my business, that will come to know. Okay, these are the summaries till now we have come across. So reference, you can able to use this as a reference in order to understand far better.